The following message has been transmitted by the request of the Roblox State Police Department. There is a mysterious blue figure at a 6'1" tall 110 pounds. And his name is Blue Eye. He has made a virus that makes you become Blue Eye. Symptoms include blue skin, dog nose, dog tail. If you display any of these symptoms, go to your nearest hospital, and if you see Blue Eye, run away as fast as you possibly can, and call 911. Do not go outside for any reason. He can easily kill you, or injure you with no mercy. Stay tuned to No Weather Broadcast Station media outlets for further information.
The National Weather Service for Roblox has issued a tornado warning for southern and northern Roblox County until 3:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Doppler Radar has issued a severe thunderstorm warning, capable of producing a powerful tornado. If outdoors, get indoors, or get to a nearest ditch. If in a car, find shelter. Do not hide under overpasses. They will not protect you from a tornado.